Class 9 PTB. The poem, If. Unit 7. By Rudyard Kipling. Questions in the text. Q1. How will you handle the situation if you face failure in your life? Ans. I will face it bravely and try again with courage. Q2. How will you celebrate success in your life? Ans. I will stay humble and not become proud. Reading and critical thinking. Q1. According to the poet, how should one respond to criticism and blame? Ans. One should stay calm and not lose patience. Q2. What quality does the poem emphasize in handling doubt and self-trust? Ans. Trust yourself but respect others' doubts too. Q3. What message does the poem give about dreams and aspirations? Ans. Dream big but never be ruled by dreams. Q4. How should a person handle twisted truths and personal losses? Ans. With patience and courage, and move forward. Q5. What does the poem suggest about resilience and rebuilding after setbacks? Ans. Rebuild life with determination after failures. Q6. According to the poem, how should one persist in difficult times? Ans. With willpower, patience, and endurance. Q7. What is the message of the poem regarding integrity and humility in life? Ans. Live honestly, stay humble, and balanced. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Samt Entertainment.